Hi guys, welcome to Homestead Kitchen Living. Tell you what, you want a grilled cheese? Well, you gotta use real cheese and you gotta use real mayonnaise. Watch this.
My God, what did you eat?
What I'm talking about, guys, real grilled cheese. There you go. Try that one out one day. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Just remember, when the going gets tough, it's tough to find something to eat. Best way to do that is cook it yourself. Homestead Kitchen Living. Making cooking fun again. Don't forget, if you liked it, click the like button. Subscribe. Share it with a friend. Don't forget to remember to thank our Creator. My prayer is that Jesus would keep you safe until we meet again. Thanks again.